Today we're taking a look at the P&S Xpress interior wipes. These are a very easy-to-use, user-friendly product. Each case contains 150 wipes. As you can tell, they are pretty similar to any other cleaning style wipe. You just simply pull the one on top and gently rip it off from the connected wipe. Starting off first, I'm going to be cleaning this dusty dash area. Make sure to wear your protective gloves for general safety practices. Now, the P&S Xpress interior wipes are developed to be used on leathers, vinyls, and plastics. Designed for express applications, these wipes clean dirt, grease, oil, and other interior traffic marks that accumulate through normal use of a vehicle. Moving on to the leather portion of these seats now, as well as the console area. Although you can use these wipes on fabric surfaces as well, it is not recommended. This product cleans without drying, discoloring, or damaging the clean surface. You may have to wipe down the clean surfaces with a microfiber towel depending on how much pressure is applied from the wipe, but the surface will feel clean and appear residue-free. All clean! Moving on to a lighter-colored vehicle, we will first start by wiping down this tan interior door panel on this BMW. These wipes easily remove scuff marks. This product uses the same formula as the Xpress interior cleaner from P&S, but made them into a versatile wipe for convenience and efficiency. Here is that before and after of the door panel. Now we are moving on to the full leather seat section of this vehicle. We will also be cleaning the console area as there were sticky soda particles against the armrest. These wipes provide a pleasant scent and can be used for more than just automotive surfaces. They can also be used on polishers, toolboxes, or even shop equipment. They can also be used on any plastic, vinyl, or leather surface. Once again, you can wipe down any leftover residue with a microfiber towel. Look at the difference on those seats. We're now going to attack this disgusting step pad area plastic. As you can tell by all of the leftover residue, I was applying a lot of force to get those darker skid marks out. I decided to dry the area and wipe it down again to ensure total cleanliness. The effects of P&S Xpress interior wipes typically last for several weeks, depending on usage and exposure to elements. These wipes are ideal for both professional detailers and DIY enthusiasts.